The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, under the glove box.
The cabin air filter may have 4 torque screws that need to be removed in order to unclip the filter housing door.
Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside.
Install your new AQ1068 filter into the housing. The filter should be installed with the flat side on the left. The edges of the flat side should ride on rails that will curve the filter.
Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the filter housing door.